Salam guys, how are you? Today we are making pasta. First you have to boil pasta with salt and oil. Cook until soft. You run it under cold water so they remain separate. Now we will make puree. You have to fry the TBLSP garlic, TBLSP to ginger, green chilies 3, spring onions. Now we have to fry onion, tomato, yellow and green capsicum. Mix and fry them. You have to chop vegetables in big chunks. Now 3 TBLSP ketchup. Now add 3 TBLSP soy sauce, 3 TBSP chili sauce, 2 TBLSP sugar, vinegar 3 TBLSP, salt according to taste. Mix them well. Now mix to TBSP cornstarch with water. Cornstarch. Now the puree is ready. Now add boiled pasta. And mix it well. It's ready. Serve it and enjoy it.